Hey, welcome to the Chris and Tina Johnson Project. I've recently had people ask me why I cut down trees.
Saludos amigos y mucho cuidado con esta máquina y por qué cortar la vida de un árbol.
And why I cut down live trees. I don't want to cut down live trees. My purpose for cutting down trees in my yard, the first reason, is because one day these trees around my house, when I'm dead and gone, will be a problem for somebody. And they will have to spend thousands of dollars getting these trees cut down. So what I'm trying to do is create a circle around this house when I'm dead and gone, that these people don't have to spend big money. I've heard a lot of horror stories of people spending thousands of dollars to have trees cut down. When I can cut them down now, use the firewood, I can get the exercise that I need, and I can also make the yard look nicer at the same time. I don't like cutting live trees down. I like cutting dead trees. But I'm trying to make it to where this property is not a problem for somebody one day. Right now, I think whoever inherits this when I'm dead and gone will have it made because they won't have to cut down trees. So that's my purpose and that's my answer. I like trees and I don't want to cut them down live. But that's my reason behind it. If you decide to do the same thing I'm doing, use a lot of caution because it's very dangerous. Thank you for watching the Chris and Tina Johnson Project.